Hi students, this is Sajid Qureshi. I'll be your English teacher for this particular level. We'll be studying our book English Unlimited Level 1. And today we will be looking at from page 6 to page 10. So before we move, let's look at the goals and the objectives of this particular lesson. So basically we will be looking at talk to someone for the first time and how we talk to someone for the first time. We'll get to know how we introduce how we introduce ourselves and how we introduce yourselves. Say where you are from, and we will also learn how we ask the people where they are from. So when we meet each other for the first time, we say hello or hi. So we have the vocabulary over here that we will be using. Hello, my name's. So first of all, we will look at these photos that we have, some of the photos over here, and we will listen to these people, what they are saying and how they are introducing each other. So, please.
Unit 1, Track 1. Hi, I'm Carlos Puente. Hello, my name is Peter Newman.
So, did you see that how these two guys, Carlos Ponte and Peter Newman, they introduce each other? Yeah, they say, hi, I am Carlos Ponte. And the other guy says, hello, my name is Peter Newman. Now, for one thing that I want to tell you is that we say, hello, I am. This I am is the short form of I am. Okay, got it? Now we will listen to this exercise number 2A, and we will match the conversation with these 3 photos, which means that you will listen to what these people they are saying to each other, and then you have to match the conversation with the particular photograph that is shown over there. Please.
Track 2, 1.
I'm Sarah. What's your name? My name's Zena. Zena, nice to meet you.
2. Hello, I'm Mike Green.
I'm Klaus Springer from Frankfurt. Nice to meet you.
3. What's your name?
James.
Hi, James. I'm your new teacher. My name is Ken.
Okay, so did you see that all these people they introduce each other, and then now this exercise B, we read the conversation one more time, and then we will add my, and you. These are the pronouns, okay, and we'll talk about that a bit later. Now first we listen to this one, and then we will check our answers.
Track 2, 1.
I'm Sarah. What's your name? My name's Zena. Zena, nice to meet you.
2. Hello, I'm Mike Green.
I'm Klaus Springer from Frankfurt. Nice to meet you.
3. What's your name?
James.
Hi, James. I'm your new teacher. My name is Ken.
Okay, now you can pause the video and then you can fill in these gaps, and later we will check the answers. Okay, now here are your answers. So you see the first conversation, A, is between 3 people, Sarah, Zaina and Sarah. Okay, so Sarah, I'm Sarah. What's your name? Zena, my name's Zena. Zena, nice to meet you. So this is another, inclusion of the expression when we meet each other for the first time. Then we say, hello, what's your name? My name is Zena, Sarah, whatever. And then in the end we say, nice to meet you. It means that we are pleased to meet you. Now, like I told you a while ago, that we use the shortened form of some of the expressions, like for instance, am, okay, this is the short form of I am. So I am Sarah, what's your name? And what's your name, you see, this is also a reduced form or the shortened form, what's, which means what is your name? So these are the short forms of am, I am, what's, what is. Okay, please go here. Now, we'll go to the page 7 and we will be looking at grammar. Okay, grammar questions. Now we will listen to this. We will listen to this exercise, and we will be looking at the question, that how the questions are asked. So
Track 6. 1. Are you from England? No. I'm from the USA. I'm from New York. 2. Where are you from? I'm from England. And you? Yes, I'm from England too. I'm from London.
as you listen, you know that how we ask the questions from the other people. So look at this B. What are the questions? Listen again and write them correctly. So they are not in the order. These two questions are not in the order, and we will be putting them in the proper order to make the correct questions. So for instance, number 1. Can anybody try? Yes. Yes. That's beautiful. So this is for example. Are you from England? And don't forget to put this question mark. This is very important, otherwise your question will be wrong. Now, can you do number 2? Where you are from? Okay. So this is number 1, and number 2. Where are you from? So you see, we put these questions in 2 ways. Okay, we are asking the questions, are you from England? So just to make sure, we ask the questions to make sure that are you from England? So you can say yes, I am, or no, I am not. But when we inquire, when we want to know, then we ask, where are you from? So you can say, I'm from Saudi Arabia, I'm from England, I'm from Sudan, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So in the same way, you see, this is the positive annotation, and this is the question annotations that we ask. Yes, this is the affirmative. This is positive. This is affirmative, that I am from. Or we can ask, you are from. And then we ask, are you from Saudi Arabia? And then, where are you from? So you can answer these questions. Have you got the point, guys? All right. And now, We will listen and complete the conversation, then listen again to check.
Track 7. 1.
Where are you from? I'm from China.
2.
Are you from the USA? Yes, I'm from Miami.
3. Are you from China? No, I'm from the USA. 4. Where are you from? I'm from London.
So as you have listened that how they are asking the questions and how they are answering this one. So I just give you 2 minutes, okay, pause the video and then you can fill in these gaps. So as you have seen, you know, I mean, like you must have done these questions, but just to reconfirm your answers, please look at these answers. Answer number 1. Where are you from? I'm from China. 2. Are you from the USA? Yes, I am from the USA. 3. Are you from China? No, I am from the USA. Number 4. Where are you from? I am from London. So these are the answers for your exercise. So you can confirm your answer with this particular answers I will show. Okay. Now, here the topic is I live. Okay, like I live in Saudi Arabia, I live in Jeddah, I mean, you can describe the countries as well as the places that you live in, the cities. Now we have these 3 photographs over here, and we will be talking about an apartment or a house. Okay, so just look at these 3. Yeah. We are on page number 9, by the way. So on page number 9, we have this particular topic, I live. So we will be basically looking at these 3 photos and we will match whether this is an apartment or it is in a house. Now, read the sentences. Which photo is it? Add words from 1A in the gaps. So 1A in the gaps means that you have to either choose an apartment or a house and fill it over here. Now, number 1, I live in, so you have to choose. Okay, you have to choose whether an apartment will go in this gap or a house. So for your convenience and for your example, I say I live in an apartment in Dubai. It's a big apartment with 4 rooms. Okay guys, I give you just a couple of minutes, hold your video and fill in the rest of the 2 sentences. I hope that you got it right, isn't it? Okay, let's check. So see, as I told you, number 1 is an apartment. Okay, an apartment, and it is a big apartment with 4 rooms. Now number 2, we have a house. Okay, we have a house near Apples, and the third one you can see it yourself, that is an apartment. Now we will listen to this one to check, to recheck rather.
Track 10. 1.
I live in an apartment in Dubai. It's a big apartment with 4 rooms.
2.
We have a house near Naples. It's a town in Florida in the USA.
3.
I have an apartment in Paris. It's very small, only 1 room.
So I hope that you have done your questions well. And now, we will look at the grammar. Okay, we'll be looking at the grammar, as you can see here, that I and we plus verb. So I and we, these are the subjects, the doer of the actions, and as well as they are the pronouns. Okay, so we have plenty of the pronouns, and as we will move into the further lessons, we'll be talking about the more pronouns. So, but here for now, we will use I and we plus we will add a verb. So, here as you can see, right, have or live, so both of them, they are the verbs, have and live. So, we will put I and we with these verbs as per the quantity of these subjects and the objects. So subject has to agree with the object. So if the subject is singular, then we have to look at that what is the number of the object. Okay, so we have means that malkiya, that you own something, you have something, right? So like for instance, we have a new apartment. Okay, so this we is a subject and have is a verb, as this is, I mean, like is the topic of the grammar. So now we will look at the other examples here. I will just do one more for you. I live in London. Okay, guys, did you understand? Now we will you will stop the video for a while, and then you fill in these gaps with have or live. And here are the answers for you. You see here, 1 is have, we already explained. 2 is live. 3 again is have. 4 live. 5 live. And 6 have. I hope that you have done this one. And in case if you have any questions, you can always come to us and contact us through the Telegram. So it is okay for now, and we will see you next time for the next lesson. Thank you very much.